The Michelangelo Frying Pans Nonstick with lid offer a great cooking experience. They come in a set with an 11-inch deep frying pan and a 5-quart sauté pan. Each pan has a lid. The nonstick surface is very useful. Food slides off easily, and cleanup is simple. This makes cooking your favorite recipe less of a chore. These Michelangelo Frying Pans Nonstick with lid are also induction compatible. This means you can use them on different types of stovetops. The deep skillet design is perfect for many dishes. You can fry, saute, and even braise with these pans. The lids help to trap heat and moisture. This makes your ingredients cook evenly. We found the grip on the handles to be comfortable and secure. Overall, the Michelangelo Frying Pans Nonstick with lid are a solid choice for any kitchen. They offer versatility and convenience. The nonstick coating is a standout feature. It makes cooking and cleaning much easier. If you are looking to update your cookware, this set is worth considering. It's a practical addition to help you create delicious meals. For anyone looking for a dependable nonstick pan without any over-the-top claims, the OXO Good Grips 8 inches frying pan is a great choice. It's practical, easy to use, and easy to clean. It won't suddenly turn you into a gourmet chef, but it will make everyday cooking less of a chore. This OXO Good Grips 8 inches frying pan is a workhorse, not a show pony, and sometimes, that's exactly what you need in your kitchen. Pros: includes lid, deep pan, large capacity, 5QT, induction compatible, versatile use, durable, heats evenly, good for sautéing. Cons: handle might get hot, lid knob can loosen, questionable origin, not very durable, uneven. Heating reported, lighter weight than expected, bottom may be thinner, some find nonstick lacking features. Michelangelo Frying Pans Nonstick with lid 11-inch, sauté pan, skillet, induction. This Michelangelo Frying Pan set has a nonstick coating and comes with a lid. It includes an 11-inch deep frying pan and a 5-quart sauté pan, which can also be used as a skillet. These pans are designed to work with induction cooktops. They are made by Michelangelo and are part of their nonstick frying pan collection. This Michelangelo frying pan is a large, deep, nonstick pan that comes with a lid and can be used on induction cooktops. It's good for cooking things like sautéed vegetables because it heats up evenly. However, some people have said that the handle can get hot, the knob on the lid might come loose, and they question where it's made. There are also some complaints that it's not very strong, doesn't heat evenly for everyone, feels lighter than expected, and the bottom might be thin. Some users have also found that food sticks to it.